Hi and welcome to GeeksforGeeks. In this tutorial, we will learn about heap in C++. Let's learn how to make a heap in C++. To do so, we use the makeHeap function. This function takes in the starting and ending address of the container and converts it into a heap. Here, I am converting this vector into a max heap. To print the first element of this heap, we use the front function, which must be the maximum. Here, I am printing the entire heap using a simple for loop. Let's run this code. We can see that the vector is converted into a heap. Next, let's look at the push heap and pop heap functions. Push heap function is used to insert elements into the heap. The size of the heap is decreased by 1 and the new element is placed appropriately in the heap. Pop function is used to delete the maximum element from the heap. The size of the heap is decreased by 1 and the heap elements are reorganized accordingly after this operation. Here, this is a vector in which I am pushing 70. Then I am using the push heap function with begin and end address passed in the argument. After this, we are popping an element from the heap using this command. Let's run this code. We can see that the heap changes accordingly on pushing and popping elements from it. Next, let's use the sort heap function to sort a heap. After this operation, the container is no longer a heap. We just need to pass the beginning and ending address of the heap to sort it. Let's run this code. We can see that the output is as expected. Next, let's use the isHeap function. This function is used to check whether the container is a heap or not. Here, I have a vector which is not a heap and we are checking whether it is a heap or not using the isHeap function. Next, let's look at the isHeapUntil function. This function returns the iterator to the position till the container is the heap. Generally, in most implementations, the reversed sorted container is considered as a heap. Here, I am using this function to get the iterator till which the vector is heap. After this, we are printing values from beginning till this iterator. So, we get a heap. We get values till the container is a heap. Let's run this code. We can see that this is not a heap and values till the iterator are printed. So this brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comments section.